If you're a new immigrant, an international student, or even if you do remote work and receive your salary from abroad, the first thing you probably think about after arriving in a new country is, how am I going to open a bank account? Then begins the search for banks, paperwork, proof of residence, and monthly fees. Later, you discover that a traditional bank account is often not the ideal solution for someone living an international life, dealing with multiple currencies and countries. And this is where the name Wise has become really popular in recent years, especially among international students, new immigrants, freelancers, content creators, remote workers, and frequent travelers. Is Wise just a money transfer app, or can it be an effective alternative to a traditional bank? We will explain. Can you receive your salary on it? Can you pay rent? Is it safe? What are its drawbacks? And can you rely on it completely without using banks? Wise became popular because immigrants and students face a problem that traditional banks often don't understand. Imagine you're an Arab student studying in Canada. Your family sends you US dollars, and you pay rent in Canadian. Perhaps you work online, get paid in euros, and sometimes travel to your home country. A traditional bank will likely limit you to a single account in one currency. High exchange fees, transfer fees, and receiving money fees. Card fees, travel problems, and even card freezing due to suspicious activity. This is a common problem for travelers. Many people have been in embarrassing situations. Their cards suddenly stopped working while traveling, paying rent, or even at the airport. This is where Wise comes in with a completely different idea. The strongest feature in Wise is its multi-currency account. Instead of opening separate accounts for dollars, euros, British pounds, or Canadian dollars, you can hold all these currencies in just one account. Currently, Wise supports over 40 different currencies, which means you can hold US dollars, euros, British pounds, Canadian dollars, and dozens of other currencies all within the same app. This is useful for students and immigrants. Let's say you live in Germany and your family sends you money in euros. You freelance, get paid in dollars, and wish to visit the UK. Instead of losing money on every currency exchange, you can keep each currency separate and convert it only when you need to. You can choose the right time to exchange your money, which saves a huge amount in the long run. Wise allows you to receive your salary, a key feature. In many countries, Wise gives you real local account details. For instance, a US, European IBAN, British, or Canadian account. Therefore, you can receive your salary, transfers, freelance earnings, and payments from PayPal or other international companies. It's literally like having a local bank account within that specific country. You can pay rent and bills. This means you can transfer funds to your landlord, send money to bank accounts to settle bills, shop online, and use your card in stores. Many students rely on Wise for rent, insurance, internet subscriptions, and all their daily shopping. In some ways, Wise is better than a traditional bank. It excels with its low transfer fees. Traditional banks often charge transfer fees, exchange rate markups, and hidden fees, while Wise clearly shows the cost before transfer. It also stands out with its real exchange rate. This is a very important point, as banks often give you a worse rate than the real one you see on Google. Wise, however, utilizes the mid-market exchange rate, which is essentially the real rate. Third, it's perfect for an international life. If you travel frequently, work online, and manage multiple currencies, Wise is far more convenient than conventional banks. It also stands out for its easy-to-use app. Wise's interface is among the best in finance. It's simple, fast, and clear, and everything is done through your phone. It also stands out with virtual cards, allowing you to create, freeze, delete, and recreate them instantly. This is excellent for security and online shopping, but can Wise completely replace a bank? We must be realistic here. It depends on your situation. It can fully replace a bank if you're an international student, new immigrant, nomad, remote worker, freelancer, or just need international transfers. However, you may still require a traditional bank if you need access to loans, a credit score, bank checks, or sophisticated local banking services. Wise is among the most recognized and globally regulated fintech companies. It employs strong security encryption, real-time notifications, instant card freezing, account protection, and multi-step verification. But with any financial service, protect your account and never share details. There are drawbacks, and some important things to note as well. Wise isn't a traditional bank fully. In some countries, Wise is just a financial service provider. Also, some countries are not fully supported, like certain Arab countries that have restrictions. Additional verification may be requested, especially for large transfers, and free withdrawals have monthly limits. Financial services have changed a lot in recent years, and today you no longer have to rely completely on a traditional bank to manage your money internationally. Wise offers a very smart and flexible solution for people living an international life. Cheaper transfers, multi-currency accounts, smart cards, receiving money, easier financial management, but it's usually best to use Wise alongside a local bank account, not as a complete replacement. This way, you get the international flexibility of Wise and the stability of local banking services. And for most immigrants and students, this is the best possible balance you can have today.